It's raining men. Where are you, girls? Okay, you start off stage, that's right. Are you ready? Okay, it's raining men, go music.
I'm CNN meteorologist Bonnie Schmacker with a look at your forecast for CNN.com. Now, as we look towards the forecast, we're watching out for more snow coming into places that don't typically see. That is a look at your forecast for CNN.com. I'm meteorologist Bonnie Schmacker.
Okay, good girls, come out again. We're going to do this one more time just for, I think they need to, for spacing. Girls, I love your energy and I love your performance. Girls, you look so good. Just, straighten those knees just a little bit more at the end when you get tired, on the leaps. I know you're getting a little, stretch through those knees, no soft knees, point those toes. Just really, really extend, because everything you could just see in this big house on that big stage. Then I'll let Janelle take it over from there. It's just little formational things, like at the beginning, Lindsay, when they came out at the beginning, when Sid was over here with the... And Sid, make sure you hold your picture up. Don't push it backwards. Make sure you hold it straight up so we can see the guy on your board. supposed to be? Did not see that formation. It's always a stage left side. More. I mean, not you, Lindsay. You're overcorrecting. It's mainly the girl. No, it's mainly the girls on the left, the farthest left that hug center, like Solana in this case and Riley. Sabrina, take a step to the side. Big girls, do you get a feel for how much stage space you have? Yeah. Okay, then let's do it again really quick, girls. Quickly. Yes. Okay, girls, are you ready? I'm sorry. Okay, wait, hold on. Are you ready, girls? We have to go. What are you looking for? Girls, I can see the umbrellas. Get them out in the wings. They need the poster on the other side. Poster. She ran it all the way back around the back. Hey, Kennedy, make sure you're telling all these girls if they're running barefoot, they have to run on the Marley runner in the back or they'll get splinters in their feet. Okay, here we go. And go music.
I'm CNN meteorologist Bonnie Schneider with a look at your forecast for CNN.com. Now, as we look towards the forecast, we're watching out for more snow coming into places that don't typically see. That is a look at your forecast for CNN.com. I'm meteorologist Bonnie Schneider.